Hi everybody, this is Kyle Sears from ZOLL Medical. Today's ZOLL X Series tips and tricks video is going to focus on the management of data coming out of the ZOLL X Series. So we're going to take a look at how to get the information from the cardiac monitor into ZOLL's QA software platform, ZOLL Case Review, a byproduct of which will allow you to integrate into any of the major ePCR vendors as well, so that your report is filled out not only accurately, but in a more timely fashion. So let's take a look. The first thing we're going to take a look at is the process in which we move the data from the X Series. Bottom left corner, the white arrow that loops back, you're going to go ahead and press that. That'll bring you into the second page of options. The fourth button down says log. This is essentially the memory of the machine. So whether you're going in here to print out a code summary, trending reports of the vitals during the call, you also have the ability to go into this white envelope. So when we're moving this data electronically, we want to hit the white envelope. The screen will come up and say, do you want to close case or continue? Depending on when you're doing this will dictate your choice. So if it's at the end of the case, you're basically done treating the patient, you say, all right, I want to manually close this patient file, you can go ahead and hit close case. If this is 10 minutes after the call, you can go in to continue, and you'll see a list of the calls that have previously been closed. They're all identified by date, time, and duration, so they're easy to figure out. The steps are hitting enter. That'll drop you down into the list of calls. Select which call that you'd like. You can select a maximum of 15 calls. You then hit the home button, and transfer will be lit up. So the next step is going to be to transfer this data. Now this is contingent on you having some sort of connectivity to the internet. So whether that be Wi-Fi or a cellular connection, you just want to make sure that you have some sort of available internet connectivity. So in this case, I'm going to hit transfer. I'll see a progress bar come up here. What determines the length of this process is how data rich the call is. So if you have a really intense cardiac arrest call, there's going to be more information, more data to compile and transfer. But you'll see, it'll say transferring current case, and you'll have a percentage complete right here. Once we get the message that says disclosure log transfer complete, then information in that case file have now been sent up to ZOLL Online. And within ZOLL Online, you have your case review account. Case review acts as the conduit for the information to be passed to any of the ePCR platforms that you may be using as well. So that'll be the next thing we take a look at. Next would be to select Import in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll next select ZOLL X Series Cloud. If for some reason that's not selected, select Options and then choose Cloud. With ZOLL X Series Cloud selected, click the Next button. You'll next see the different case files which have been uploaded to your cloud account. The final step is to select the call that you'd like to associate with the PCR report that you're currently working on. That will include all of the X Series data that was collected during the call and uploaded, which will then auto-populate the appropriate fields within your report. And then you'll be done.